Hi, so my poem is about my best friend, and well, I'm sure all of us have at least one friend with whom we can talk about everything from the small things in our lives to our dreams, our insecurities, our crush, career, everything. And when we talk about a best friend, no matter how much they taunt you or tease you, when it comes to supporting each other, you would barely find someone better. So I'm going to share one such incident that happened recently where I had failed a job test and I was badly demotivated and losing all the hope. And well, that's what the poem is about. So I'll, I'll tell you. 30th July 2020, 7:30 p.m. Accompanied by the darkness, I was staring into the void towards the sky. My heart was pounding, my body shivering. Tears were on the brink of my eyes, yet the subtleness on the face's disguise. Struggling to battle the fear of failure, the fear of not being the best player. Doubting every decision, holding on to an ambiguous vision, trying not to overthink every possible what if, and trying not to be the biggest creative. I was feeling defeated, defeated by all the expectations and by my own crazy imaginations. Not knowing what to do, I was sitting alone, just an iota of confidence. Amid the numbness, the hopelessness, and amid all the thoughts of giving up, I tapped on the speed dial, yearning for him to pick up. So he did pick up the call as always. He never fails. I was scared. My throat was going dry and I was about to cry. But still, with the cracking voice, I put my heart out, narrating every thought, every doubt. He listened. He knew he had seen the side of me before too. He heard everything, told me it's okay and that it's still not too late. But then, setting the record straight, he said, dude, this is life. And you can't just rely on fate. You got to have persistence. You got to fight the resistance. Fight the disguised indolence. Wherever you feel stuck, just ask for assistance. And you got to stop the procrastination. Stop the inutile content consumption. Roll up your sleeves because right now, there's no option to leave. You have to work it through this time. You just cannot give up. He paused for a while and then said, think about all the things that you accomplished till now. See where you are. You have already made it this far. Okay? Things will work out. It will be fine. Okay? So relax a bit for now. Tomorrow, we'll talk again. Assured the man, the best friend. Thank you.